Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Non Judgmental, sponsored by Bean Scene. And today I have my friend Raghunandan with me on this podcast. Welcome, Raghunandan.
Thank you so much.
Finally, welcome to the podcast after almost a month. Guys, I just want to let you know that Raghunandan is super busy. I've been trying to reach him. Like, we've been trying to figure out when to do it, and finally we are doing it today. So, congratulations on that, Raghunandan.
Thank you. And to add it, I'm not that super busy. I just switched my job, so I was, setting up the targets and all. So yeah, time went over that.
Just a second. I know I shouldn't be asking it here, but I'm so curious to know. You really shift your job, and I have no idea about it.
Yeah, for a surprise, yes, and that is how I annoy you.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. So we I wanted to ask you, Raghunandan, is sex still a taboo in the Indian society?
Uh, it is a partial thing. I cannot say yes also. I cannot say no also. But yeah, some of the generations are talking about sex like a normal talk, and yeah, there are few generations for them. Yeah, it is still a taboo with a double inverted commas.
Okay, pun intended.
Mhm. Yeah, because that's a very sensitive thing, and yeah, it will take some more time.
For everybody to open up. But I
Yes.
feel I feel that definitely it is at some places it is still a taboo, like still not that open, but I can find majority of being very open about it, and there's discussion at home. And I recently watched the series on Amazon Prime, Happy Family Conditions Apply. If
Yeah.
you guys haven't, I want to tell this to the listeners, and if you guys haven't gone and अगर तुमने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, my brain is not functioning right now as it is 12:10 a.m. So I just want to tell, अगर आपने अभी तक वो नहीं देखा है तो please go watch it. They give you so different perspective about how to be, happy in life, and they have
Yeah.
open, and all the three generations in that family are so open about sex and everything.
I really sorry to interrupt you, Ankush.
नहीं
But
रघुनंदन,
yeah,
बोलो.
in that there is a scene where they talk about BJ when he
Yeah.
takes it. The actual wo- word they're supposed to mean is DJ, but he takes it BJ, and the way they have portrayed it, I think that is a very educative way to talk about sex.
Yeah, and the best part is all the three generations in that family are so open about it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
maybe when your parents or when you watch it, maybe you won't feel that uncomfortable while watching.
Uh,
Go to watch it. Even
and
though
by
they
the way,
paid
by
by
the way,
name. Sorry.
by the way, listeners, to be very honest, they didn't pay us. That's our general opinion about that web series.
Yes. So I along with sex being so and I feel everybody has a different perception when it comes to sex. So there are these questions I want to, like, which I found it from the Google, and it is the most asked question, like the most searched question, I mean to say.
Yeah.
The first question is, where is sex legal? Yeah, that I'm literally shocked to see that, but I'm happy that people
Good question.
want to
Good
do it when
question,
it is
Ankush.
legalized.
Yeah. Very good question, Ankush. See, it is like, where do you find drinking is legal, or where do you find smoking is legal? Every packet of smoke or every packet of drink, you'll find it is injurious to health. same way, not the same way, a part of it we can take. And talking about sex, you told where it is legal, nowhere it is illegal. For me, if you ask me, that is a language of a love. That's a part of a love, if you want to ask me.
Got it.
Yeah.
I totally understand. I mean,
Yeah.
पहले तो मेरे को हंसी आई थी कि ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है, but trust me, when I
No.
get the deeper, when I think a little deeper, I feel, they had that courtesy to have that, जहाँ पे ये कर सकते हैं वहीं पे करना है. So yeah.
And I also appreciate the people who have typed this in Google, and they're eager to know about that thing. And when they know, they don't do a wrong things, or they don't fall into wrong traps, and they take it in a right way. Like, it's very proud thing to say that, yeah, these questions are also coming up.
Yeah. Why is sex important?
Without sex, bro, to be very honest, without sex, even I wouldn't be here, even you wouldn't be here. That's a part and parcel of a life, if we very, very, very generalize it. And one more thing to it, if you ask me, see, when a boy or a girl, or when a boy or a boy, or when a girl or a girl, okay, I'm talking because everything is legalized now. When a boy or a boy, or a girl or a girl, or a girl or a boy,
You
then
can just mention it, gender fluidity.
yeah, I can say lesbians, gays, or a normal couple.
Yeah.
When they fall into love,
Don't forget bisexual as well.
yeah, those also I can say.
Yeah.
When they fall into love, that is sex is a part in your love where you become very close, when you get very deeper. And when that I can say is that you are wholly committing yourself to other person. That much you are loving him, where you can be when they say no, I am very much naked in front of you, मैं तेरे सामने क्या बोलूं. If I'm talking to you as a friend, I can say, अबे अंकुश, इतना क्या मेरे पे तू शक कर रहा है, मैं तेरे सामने नंगा हूँ. Okay, this is an idiom where wherein if you talk in a love or relationship, they say, when both people are very naked in front of each other, they trust each other that much, and they are committing fully to them, wholly to them with love.
Yeah.
Not
I feel
fully, or not, or nobody is forcing each other. See, in this also I can say, okay, a boy must have asked for it, or a girl must have asked for it, or any one of them asked for it in lesbians or gays or bisexual. This is also a part. I'm not telling this is a wrong thing. Okay, when you want to love somebody, you can ask many things, because demands will be there. Demands are never ending. This is the I can say this is the kind of demand in a love way, in a lovable language. That's all I want to say.
Yeah. And I have my perception towards this is, initially I feel when it was our parents' generation, or even before that, sex was only a entertainment just to take a generation, or to get your another generation to this beautiful world. And now I can see there are so many things opened up about the pleasure, and why it is important to feel satisfied, or the pleasure. And
Correct.
so I feel now we have discovered a lot, and it is not only just penetration. I feel honestly speaking, I have never experienced one, so I can't speak much about it, but I will just be able to talk about the things that I've heard and or might have seen.
See, telling about this is Ankush. Yeah, whatever you told, that's very much agreed. But once I heard from a wise person, I don't know to take his name, but yeah, he was a part of. He was an important part of my life. So once, we were in some party and all, and randomly this topic came up. So at the end of the thing, this came up in a very funny way, or in a very very funny way. Okay.
Mhm.
So, but at the end of the day, at the end of the topic, he just told one thing that is still stuck in my mind. He
What?
told, see, there are three things, that is physically, mentally, and sexually, person should be satisfied.
Agreed.
Okay.
So that's what I'm trying to say ना पहले
Yeah.
not इतना सब नहीं था पहले it
Like-
was you just penetrate and get the children and that's it.
But bro, if you, sorry to interrupt you,
Yeah.
but if you see the history, okay, if you read the history, or if there are few films and web series which have been done by those history books, they have copied from it, and those books are written by very huge people, influential people. In that, sex plays a huge role.
Yeah.
Sex plays a huge role, sex is also came across as a pleasure, what you said. Sex is also came across as a win over somebody. Sex is also came across as an entertainment, as you told, and sex is also has come upon how what is the status of your life.
Yeah.
These things, there might be other things, but these are the four things which I got them. And even I started thinking that way, and I started for me, the sex vision, whatever the sex thing was there, so I think upon these things.
Yeah. I agreed with this, because for me, I'm kind of old school person wherein, for me, as you said, that idiom or the phrase to be naked. And I would only like to be naked with the person whom I absolutely trust and am madly in love with that person is only when I would do that. Else, I feel when you are in love with a person and things are so different, and just randomly you might get the pleasure for a minute or something, but you will never be satisfied mentally.
Ankush, here I want to ask you one question.
Yeah.
As you told, you will be ready for a sex, or you will be doing it only when you love somebody, or when you are fully deep into it. Am I right?
Yeah.
So I want to ask you one question. See, we go to a lot of parties, pubs, or we visit a lot of places where parties happen, and where we meet opposite gender, or
Yeah.
we may meet similar gender, or we might fall in love. Okay.
Yeah.
And we start talking with them, flirting with them, and take a situation that we are intoxicated, we have drunk a lot, we have smoked a lot, and slowly we are like flirting each other, and we are tuning with the people, tuning with the other person very very much, and we are deeply into it. And what if you had a kiss on that moment, and what if without knowing, or without knowingly, unknowingly, or that maybe your fluctuation that time, and you have a sex, how will you justify it?
I just want to say that when I'm at clubs and I'm partying, तुम मेरे से पूरी रात नचवा लो, मैं पूरी रात नाचूं.
नहीं ना, पहले अभी हो गया है, अभी हो
I understood your question and I gave the question. I'm not trying to just ignore it, bounce it off. But honestly speaking, I have been so many times and I have always done only dancing. वो मेरा बॉलीवुड का जो प्यार अंदर ठूस ठूस के भरा रहता है. I honestly have, there have been a few instances where I've just come across people and we have definitely exchanged our numbers and social media connect. Everything has happened. But I first try to know that person and only then get into these. It's my thing. I don't know how many, even if the audience will get it. or you will try to get it, I don't know. But मेरा हमेशा से यही रहा है कि पहले तुम सामने वाले को जान लो, उसके
Ankush, you are becoming a very diplomatic person now.
No, I am not being I am just being honest with what I have, and मेरे को लगता है कि पहले सब जान बान के and then go ahead, because मेरे को नहीं पता, I don't like it that way. I don't want it to be limited to, you know, just one night stands.
Yeah.
So that
You have come up. What are your views on casual hookups and one night stands? And one more thing is friendship benefits.
honestly speaking, I still don't understand the concept of friends with benefits. But if you talk about casual hookups, and what was one more thing you said? Am I audible, Raghunandan? Raghunandan,
Hello.
am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, there was some problem to all the audience. We are trying to record this at a remote places. He's in Bangalore and I'm in hometown, so there was some issue. Please bear with us. So one night stand, casual hookups, and I guess casual hookups and one night stand are the same. And friends with benefits. Okay, so I am only talking about my perspective here. You know, it depends upon everybody's need. Few people might just have casual hookups or one night stand, but there was one thing I've learned, or I've been told about casual hookups and all. I have read this also somewhere, that, you know, if you are a lot into casual hookups or one night stand, you somewhere take so many energies within yourself that you are not happy within later.
Yeah.
You
But
might
this is what
get
correct, Ankush.
yeah.
This is what I wanted to, convey to the people who are listening this. When you have sex, when you are, doing it, whatever it is, bro, it may be casual hookup, it may be a friends with benefits, or it may be a one night stand. Be happy. The outcome should be your happiness.
पर मेरे को ये अभी तक फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स नहीं समझता है कि तुम सुबह किसी
See,
के
bro,
तो रात
my
में
perspective, if you want to know, friends with benefits is a very much, subtle way. Why? Because, bro, you want to have sex, but you don't want to love, and you don't want to get addicted also, and you want to be happy also, and in general, you don't want to have any regrets.
no,
That
honestly,
is the best thing.
I know what, but मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता. I can't even imagine, you know, me being that way, having friends with benefits or something. I honestly don't get it. But
Not over, Ankush, you are very cheeky boy.
everybody has their own perception and perspective towards everybody. So
And I want to tell you one thing is, those are the things only for people like us. You are very, handsome hunk, where only people fell for you.
gosh, ये reality.
And we don't have other choices. हमको सिर्फ इतना ही खाना पड़ता है.
STF.
I love you.
So yeah, this is, and I definitely, you know, that question has to be there. You know, has porn destroyed the definition of sex?
Definitely.
Or if I may just change, or, you know, up moderate the question, are porn sites the place to get sex education?
Definitely not. Straight answers are
ये दोनों अलग-अलग questions थे, sorry.
yeah, definitely. But yeah, porn has been playing a very wrong play. I definitely agree. And I also agree to your one more question, and that is porn sites are not a way to educate yourself. No, those are the mediums to have entertainment, to see when you cannot. It's like when you cannot play World Cup, we see World Cup. Same way, when you cannot have sex, see to it.
Yeah.
That's it. And take those pledges
And
and, you know,
and
see it on that time and leave it. That's it.
and I also
Or don't get so deep to a bond because that's somewhere
with this choice
got
perception towards
Yeah.
that I feel
that
I have gone through similar thing and मेरे को लगता है वहाँ पे ना और बना देता है the need and the greed for watching and performing yourself kind of levels up to a different level. Bad. So everything in actors is definitely very bad. So I feel just take it as an entertainment and just leave it there.
It's like it's the same like a thing where, you know, we start doing some bad habits that's like smoking or eating tobacco or drinking. Okay, it's same like thing. Okay, drink है वो zone में रहो, बाहर आ जाओ, अगले दिन काम करो, अगले दिन आपका जो भी schedule है करते रहो. When you're in that thing, be in that zone. I'm not telling don't be in that zone.
Yeah.
वो zone का आप मजा लो. Don't make that zone hurt you. मजा लो.
गुरु रघुनंदन देख बाबा रघुनंदन की जय हो.
Nothing, bro.
Definitely, I feel we don't have, I mean, I hope we both don't have that much of knowledge about sex. But basically, if you see, first and foremost important is you should be comfortable with your partner,
Yeah.
or your partner should be comfortable with you. But and then the second thing, second bhi nahi, these are all the first thing.
Yes.
And the next thing is consent, that is more important.
And you know, and I want to add here is start from your home. Start talking. Like when you come to a certain age, there are topics you should start talking to your parents or your siblings.
I got pretty scared when you said, because I was, sorry, I'm yawning. I would say when to have, like, you know, जहाँ पे तुमको लगता है safe environment कैसे create करो to, you know, have sex.
See, bro,
What you all of a sudden started out of nowhere talking about have it started from your home. So there were two different things that were happening simultaneously.
See, why I told these things at last is, see, Ankush, being an elder brother, I'll honestly tell you that one day my sister got into adolescence.
Okay.
And in our religious practice or in our home, they celebrate it.
Oh,
Okay, they celebrate it, and I didn't have any fucking idea why she's been given that much of importance on that particular day, and she was treated like a very she was treated as a princess. Nobody is telling her anything. Everybody are coming and, you know, loving her, giving her, you know, things like gold ornaments and all. I was like, why the fuck I didn't have these things? Then suddenly I asked the question to my dad.
okay.
He explained me in a very straight way that Raghu Nandan, from today your sister is have come into adolescence. Now your responsibilities are more. Then I was blank. Then I asked him. Then he told these are the things. He spoke about menstruation. He spoke about periods. Then I was like, okay.
Both
Okay.
the same Raghunandan. Sorry to cut you.
No, yeah. But that time even mine thinking was like that only, bro. I don't know what I was thinking. I was blank. So I told okay. So that time I got to know, okay, speaking to your starting those things from your home only will take you something ahead. Today I can, you know, go and talk with my mom that mommy, I love a girl. We are into a living relationship, and you know things are happening between us, and we want to get married. If I tell this in a very simpler way, even they will understand it in a very simpler way, and everything will be fruitful. There will be no rotten fruits over there.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah,
So-
that is why I'm telling start from your home.
Yeah, understood, Raghunandan.
Yeah.
I was trying to say that, first is you have to be prepared within yourself
Yes.
to have sex, and the consent is more important.
Yes.
Anything and everything that you do with your partner, the consent is more important. बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी है, जो करना है कर लो.
और भाई मैं एक बोलना चाहता हूँ,
हाँ जी.
पड़ती है ब्रो, स्टार्टिंग में पड़ती है, फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू गो पड़ती है ब्रो.
एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हारा है.
Yeah, no shame on it. I'll tell on it. Yeah, I've been gone through those things.
या तो
Uh,
the same
but-
thing तो मैंने पहले बोला कि I don't have that
हाँ.
experience, so I can't tell anything on that, but I can only talk about the things that I've seen or I've heard.
I always tell that it's a very small thing, love language, but yeah, when it happens, it's a very big thing. Once it happens, world is beautiful.
Great. That's the end of the podcast, guys. And if you ever wish to be on this podcast, non-judgmental, please drop us a DM at beanscene.in on our Instagram handle. That is BEANSCENE.IN. Thank you. See you next Friday.